And what we've done is we've given each of these builders one of these engines and given them the opportunity to start building. They were given engine, transmission, electronics, and basically said, have at it. Herman, what have you done here, man? What have you done? Well, you know what? This is why I enjoy having you around. You never know what's going to go on. You just don't know what. What in the world were you thinking?
Look, guys, first of all, this car, I have been watching this car for about 3 years now, and it belonged to a gentleman by the name of Samuel Hubernet. He was a race car driver and a stunt car driver. You see him doing all these stunts in movies. But this car is a 2009 Challenger that was set up to be a drift car. And I've been asking Wesley Motorsports to let me put an engine in this car and drag race it, and they finally said yes. Took some cues from the street racing channel over here, raised the brakes front end up a little bit because, you know, they do the no prep seat. And lately I've been killing it at no prep.
Get the tire back, cool back tire.
Oh yeah, cool.
There it is.
Told you.
Oh no way!
What happened?
All right, you guys, check this thing out. When you said 2,600 pounds, you aren't kidding. And let's be honest here, lightweight and Challenger aren't two terms that necessarily go together.
But you got the Hurricane engine right here, and you can see the suspension work and everything. All the rest of y'all just see the back end of the car. That's what y'all need to be concerned with.
That is unexpected.
Hey y'all, Garrett got his car finally running. I was burning the midnight candle.
Yeah, man, listen, I've done it before. It's not pleasant. I don't prefer it at all. Well,
you know the crazy part about it is that we always say we want to plan ahead so we don't have to rush at the last minute.
Yeah.
It always comes down to
There's so many things that are out of your control.
This part don't fit or didn't work right.
Exactly.
You got to reroute this or the computer won't let this shift.
Exactly.
It's
always little things.
Hey man, I'll tell you a secret. Go to Amazon, buy
Wait, no, your secret is have somebody else build your car.
Yeah, exactly, and not even be here.
Stop it, Tom.
Fly in.
Hey man, you stay behind me where you always supposed to be, back here behind me.
Yeah, 2 days ago. 2 days ago.
Hey man,
2 days ago.
Man, why y'all throwing me under the bus?
Yo,
come on, man.
You flew in, you sat in it, and you said, "Sweet, I'll see you next week."
Yeah, that's exactly what he did.
No, I said these suckers gonna lose.
They adjusted the seatbelts, and then you flew home.
Hey man, what about my other car? I twin turboed that.
Did you?
Yeah. That's the beast. That's a real beast.
But these sound better than that.
Stop it. Stop it. You mean your BMWs? I don't know what that is. Last year we had to have we had to have a rookie drive the car, and the car took off so violently. He kept letting his foot off the accelerator. And I kept telling him, you gotta keep your foot on the accelerator because it unloads the chassis.
And it gets all
and you get back on it, get all shaky, squirrely. So, yeah, but I think I put too much in it on the launch, and he wasn't used to that G-force. He thought he was losing his soul. So you better take that truck to the grocery store, give me some groceries.
Hey, listen,
come back with
I
it.
can. That thing's reliable.
Yeah. It looked like a real race. I mean, that's how fast it looked. I was like, what the fuck? I was like, I'm gonna race that with my black car.
I hope it goes straight, man. That's the only thing we're hoping for.
Hey, how about we race it?
30 feet.
I've been looking at your house.
30 feet. We need
much.
like 26 of it.
My truck.
Y'all gonna be going. Oh, you can't do a burnout?
No, well,
they're gonna have a
you
steel
can,
plate.
but there's still
Wait, why you can't do a burnout on a steel plate? The tires will stick to that.
And the pickup truck is really starting to get with the program. And that's Morgan had to figure it out right there.
Something broke down halfway down the track.
Steel
plate.
Are they gonna wet the plate?
Yeah, I hope so.
So how come you can't do a burnout? Can you do a rolling burnout?
Because this is a road course. They don't
Well,
want
yeah, because what happens when you roll off the plate? Are you not allowed to?
Yeah, it's gonna take somebody's shins out.
That's exactly what it's gonna be like.
You feel like you're gonna keep walking. Yeah.
Well, I feel like as soon as you slide off that plate, it's gonna get a little weird.
And don't set and do the burnout. Just come up on the rev limit or come up on the foot brake, and just don't use your brake, and then let go.
Yeah, I don't think they want
rubber on the track, which is going to be impossible.
How they not gonna get rubber on the track with road courses?
No,
they leave rubber on the track.
not from burnouts. They're not doing burnouts.
Oh, okay.
It's gonna create sticky spots out there.
Yeah, that's why they can't put down prep, because otherwise they'd have to literally cut up the asphalt.
Okay, so we racing a no prep.
Yeah, literally no prep.
On all
like
aspects.
it's literally gonna be a burnout contest.
Park at, but I think now we're going to go up to make our first test hit. How your jiu-jitsu been going?
It's been going good.
So what belt are you now?
Oh, you know I'm a black belt.
You ain't no black belt. Boy, you don't even swagger like a black belt. I don't see the aura on you. Where you at?
What do you mean where I'm at?
Where you at? What belt are you?
I'm nothing. I don't do jiu-jitsu.
I thought you.
That's Parker.
That's Parker.
Yeah.
Okay. Look at her. He faking the funk. Where is Parker? He not here?
No, he's not here. He didn't want to come see you.
That dude. Hey man, I'm ready to race, buddy. Are they gonna have to clean the track?
Yeah.
It's Cletus.
Hey man, it's Tyrone. This ain't Cletus. Huh?
What size is that helmet?
Winning size.
5XL.
No, I can't believe that head fits in that helmet.
That's the
5XL.
That's the winning size. That's what that is.
That's you.
Which one? Stop.
That one. Invisible car, Mermaid Man, and Barnacle Boy. That's her.
I told you making the boatmobile invisible was a stupid idea.
What gear did he leave in?
Second. Yeah, he was fucking cooking the whole way down.
And it looked like Musto just broke his drive shaft. Weston broke his drive shaft. Tom Baily broke his drive shaft. So now it's just me and the other two ladies.
So it's kind of cool. Allison's dad came up. When our mutual friend Johnny was mentioning
guys, the tires we were using was too thin, in my opinion, not enough patch. So I'm gonna get my bigger Mickey Thompson tires, and then we'll run with those. So, man, the Hurricane engine is too much torque, and it's all over the place.
Or you want to get some next?
She was all up in my business.
That's okay.
I look around, all of them.
Allison took care of business for me.
Hey, Jason, so what y'all got? You say y'all got a 31 and a what?
So we got a 30. We don't have a 29 and a half. We got a 31 and a sawzall and a hammer. Take measure. We might have, but you know, at that point, who needs it, right?
Hey, come on, man.
We'll get you fixed up. No, we got your tire. We got 29.
You got my tire. Hey, y'all, this is Jason from Mickey Thompson. When you need a tire and you're in a bind, you come see Mickey.
That ball's going to get more out.
A big rabbit. Guys, is there a way?
So if you're going to be the old thing.
Where's the cradle? Look at the cradle.
Man. It's supposed to be a Dodger Plymouth. No fucking thing. Cheater.
That's the only person I know that took the Demon and made it go slower. Turbos on it, and it went slower than it went when it had its original
To take
supercharger.
on the all-wheel drive F-150 pickup.
Hey, where's our nitrous bottle? Oh, yeah. Wait. There's a rule about no power adders. What the fuck is this?
Well, you see, I'll go ahead and explain to you guys what that is. That's a big ass fucking nitrous kit. Just in case you guys are wondering.
Power adders.
It's not gonna add any power. It already had plenty of power.
It's already a bitch.
Trying to make a back-to-back
God.
triumph here at M1 Concourse after conquering in the mid-size category last year. And for Shane Baily.
Oh, wait. I brought a fucking go-kart.
For this guy.
I cheated.
Ford F-150. Just a second. Not that there's not a lot of daylight.
And again, you look at that torque and tungsten truck, and that 6.4, that Hurricane has been laid in there.
He is all over the place down there. Herman goes 5.65.4. Evans goes 6.33.5. Will the run stand? There's going to be a conference here. The question is, will the run stand? We're going to know about that in a second. We're going to shut down the next pair as the officials are getting together.
Hey, it was a good run until I crossed the line. It was a good, it ran.
You did it to yourself.
I know it.
100%.
I know
So don't
it.
call me next week.
I DQ'd myself. So this was the deal. Their tuning guy, they can't put traction control. I thought they could put traction control in the Motec. He said no, he can't do it. So we changed the tires, which was the better tires. And so then he said, run it, floor it, and drive through it. It will straighten itself up. And I said, look, if it gets wiggly, I'm gonna let out. He said, no, you gotta keep your foot in it and drive it to straighten up. And it just, I couldn't keep it. I could. So it was my call. And, I DQ'd myself. So the rule at the house is, if you cross the line, you're done. If you touch the wall, you're done. The only time that you don't follow those rules is when you grudge racing and you don't make that one of the stilts. And if you don't call those stilts, no. Yeah. When I said any drag strip, you can't cross. If you cross, you DQ. Yeah. So it just is what it is. No, I'm cool with it.
I'm proud of you, though, man. You beat everything.
Hey, man, I had fun. We had fun. But I tell you what, my turbo car, did you see my turbo car go down the track? So what did it run? You don't remember? Y'all don't know. Man, it sounds like I've been hearing your voice ever since I've been here, KJ.
Yes, you have. I've been talking all day.
No, you was when we was up there. You was on the. They had you playing on the. They was playing the last year's deal.
Is that right?
So you was talking. I'm like, hey, KJ.
Tired?
Yeah, everywhere I'm going, KJ.
Tired of your
KJ.
man?
No, I ain't tired of KJ.
That's fine.
No, like it's KJ. No matter where I'm at, I'm here. Fucking KJ. And I gotta. God damn, KJ. I can't get away with nothing. God talking, no matter where I go. How far ahead was I when I went?
You were out there. And
I mean, how far ahead of her? How far ahead of her was I?
Oh, you were out there.
You were out there.
You had a cover.
You were out
Yeah,
there.
yeah,
It was
like
theoretically
at least-
over, and then the car
at least
moved.
two. Yeah, I mean, I started to let out, but I was trying to drive the car like the guy told me. He said stay in it, and it was stable itself out, which it didn't. And the track is tight, but we race tight tracks at the house, so it is what it is. Yeah.
Now you've got to battle the internet. You got.
No, I don't got to battle the internet. I'm good. I'm good with it.
Okay.
I'm good with it.
Good stuff, folks. That shit was dope.
Make it fucking happen. Let's go.
Man.
Are you guys fucking shit? What's going on?
Let's go.
Where are they going?
5 stacks.
What's up? How are you?
This is Mr. Demonology.
Okay.
This guy wants to come here
with Waffle House breakfast. If you
After race.
So let's do this. So we've got the finals now. We'll run your pair, then the wheel sim.
just because I know what your U-joint's made out of.
Deal? Hey, what's on the line?
It's just
Right. Oh, come on.
Okay, why don't we just settle this the best way we can? There's a steel plate right here. We'll wet it down. You both stand right out here. First one of you to make it to the orange cone wins.
Let's not do this.
Well, you asked for it. You asked. You asked for it.
Don't be mad. Don't be mad.
I'm gonna race you with my car. So you asked for it. Okay. Yep.
Oh, shit.
There we go. Let's go.
What are you racing?
He wanted to race my Black Ghost. We start 170. His wife pulled him to the side because I said, "This ain't what you want. You don't want that Black Ghost." Yeah. Well, the dude was drunk, and I told him, I said, "Bro, I'm gonna send you home with 3 shoes, 2 on your feet and 1 in your ass, because this Black Ghost ain't playing with you." And so his wife grabbed him and said, "He is drunk." His brother came and apologized. So I said, "We good. Another time. We'll catch him another day. Hey guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and also click the bell. Check out the videos up at the top, and if you get a chance, check out our merch store. Peace.